Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing a vlog style. Now if you have watched my weekly check-in and follow me on Instagram, you would know that Jared and I bought a house. Yes, we bought a house and I am standing in it right now. It's very echoey. We haven't moved anything yet. We've just been cleaning and replacing some stuff. So super excited, and I did tell y'all in the weekly check-in that I was going to do a empty house tour. So this is where I'm at today, and we're just so excited. We closed on Tuesday, and we've been going at this for like 4 months now, and I'm just so glad it's over, you guys. I really am. So I'm looking kind of rough, but we are just gonna go through the house, and if you have any questions, let me know down below and let me know your thoughts about more vlogs. If you want more vlogs, if you want a updated house tour after we finish decorating and stuff, let me know also. So we're just going to get started, and make sure you go and subscribe down below and comment what was your favorite part about this vlog. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right, you guys, so here is the front door, and this is the walkway, and we turn around and you get to this door, which is our like closet, our coat closet and stuff, like a little bit of storage. We have some extra flooring that they left behind, and then you come into this big area. This is like my favorite area, and I can't turn on the light because I'm not sure why. I think like the string is like up where the light is and I can't reach it, so oh well. But anyway, so this is the whole area, and this is going to be our entertainments because we like to have people over a lot. So we're gonna have a big bookshelf right here, and then we're gonna get a sectional over in this area. Don't mind that, that's like a lot of stuff that we bought, but I mean, if you want a haul, I'll show y'all the haul real quick. So we got a ceiling fan right here for the living room that we're gonna replace, which this ceiling fan's fine. It just circulates slower. So we just bought one of these, and then Jared found this at his work because they were on clearance or something. So it's the smart Wi-Fi thermostat that we're just gonna try out. And then he got a Google Home. This is actually, he got this for $30, you guys. Crazy, right? And then I picked up some, let's see, there's some light bulbs. We got something to put some more shelves in the closet. And then there's the easy liner to line all the kitchen stuff. But yeah, so this is the living room, and then we're just gonna look outside for a little bit. So this is what the backyard looks like. We have a pretty good backyard, so we're gonna put a fence from here all the way down to there to connect. And then we're going to extend the patio, so that would be exciting. Right here is the kitchen area. Now it's very messy, but it's very confusing also because there is a chandelier right there. So it's supposed to indicate that that's where your dining table will go. But our dining table is kind of big. It seats about 8 people, I believe. So the dining table is supposed to go right here, but then you have like half wood and then half tile going into the kitchen, and that's just gonna look weird. So I have no idea where I'm gonna put the dining room table. So anyways, let's walk through here, and let's see if I can turn on the light. All right, so this is the light. We're actually gonna replace that with something, I don't know, his brother said something about it. But counter space, here's all the counter space. It's kind of messy, I know. We have granite countertops, some like legit granite countertops, not no laminated. We have the refrigerator, the stove, the microwave. These all came with the house, and this house was built in 2009. So I believe these appliances have been in here since 2009, but we plan on getting new appliances. We really want new appliances, but that's not gonna be until probably the end of the year. So that's gonna be like our big Christmas present. All right, so counter space, all that, shelves, everything like that. And then we walk into here. So this is kind of like a mudroom right here. And then it leads out to the garage, which I'll show y'all in a minute. And then I'm turn around, and then there is our washer and our dryer. And then here is a little shelf right there. Probably put another shelf, I'm not sure, but we need a pantry. So I was thinking this wall, put some shelves right here. That is what I was thinking. All right, so we're gonna go into the garage. And there is the garage. So 2-car garage, and then we do have a attic which holds our HVAC system. So, all right, so we're gonna walk. This is like really fun. I've never done a house tour before, so I'm hoping y'all are loving it. So here's the overview again, and this house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. All right, so we're gonna go into the little hallway. We're gonna open this door, and it's like a linen closet, so we're gonna put our blankets and everything else that we need for that. And while we're going into the master bedroom, in the garage, we're gonna put shelves so I can hold my couponing stuff, so like toilet paper and all that stuff. Anyway, so this is the master, and you can see that it's echoing. We did get another ceiling fan to replace that one. And then we are going to hopefully upgrade to a king size, because we used to have a king size. And Jared loves a king size. I do too, because I love room. So I was thinking bed right here. And then we're not gonna have a TV because we'll be in the living room most of the time. And then dresser and all that stuff right here. But we'll see. And then we'll put the queen bed that we have into the guest room, and I will show you that in a minute. All right, so here is the walk-in closet. Not very walking, really, but so we have shelves, and then we did pick up another shelf that's gonna go over here. And I kinda wanna put some more shelves down there, but we'll have to see about that. And the flooring, all new, all redone, and no carpet whatsoever in the house. All right, so this is the master bath. So we already replaced the shower, but it's granite countertops and then double vanities. So that's all been redone. Shower, and I always think this shower door is sliding, but it's really not. It opens like that. So we really need to redo the grout or cock it back like that. And then of course we have the toilet by itself, which is pretty cool. All right, so that is everything. All right, so let's walk over here, where if you walk straight from our master, this is the guest bath. Same thing, it doesn't have a double vanity, but it does have the granite countertops. We already switched out the shower head for that. We need to get a shower curtain and everything else, but it's very simple for our guests and everything. Then we're gonna walk into, this is the first of 2 guest bedrooms. So this is where Jared's brother is gonna be staying with us for a little bit, and he already has his stuff. He doesn't have a bed or anything yet, but we're gonna figure that out. And then closet is right here. It's a pretty decent sized closet, so pretty happy about that. And then let's see, so that is bedroom number 1. It is the smaller of the 2. And then you're gonna walk straight ahead, and this is gonna be mine and Jared's office because it has the most lighting. So my, configuration is that more lighting means better quality videos for you guys. So this is how we're gonna do it. So this is gonna be mine and Jared's office, his gaming, my YouTube videos, I'm gonna film in there. And then over here in the corner, I'm probably gonna be setting up the Cricut machine and everything, because Kendra and I do have a Cricut vinyl shop on Facebook. And then here is the closet. So it's pretty decent, and we're just gonna probably do some organization in there. Mostly all of our vinyls probably gonna stay in there also. But yeah, so this is the second guest bedroom, and that's pretty much it, you guys. So that is everything. So I'm just gonna flip the camera around and then talk to y'all in the video. All right, you guys, I'm looking very rough. I am. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great day, and I am super excited about this house and for more videos to be filmed in here, hopefully some more vlogs. But let me know down below if you would like some more vlog videos. I'll be more than willing to go and, film every once in a while. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great week. Happy Friday, because that's when y'all are going to be watching this, and I will see you guys later. Bye.